Mastering IELTS Listening, completing forms, notes, tables, and flowcharts. Hello there, English learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the IELTS listening test and learn strategies to ace the form, note, table, or flowchart completion questions. These can be tricky, but with the right approach, you'll master them in no time. So, let's get started. In the IELTS listening test, you might come across tasks that ask you to complete a form, note, table, or flowchart. This essentially means filling in the gaps with information you hear from the recording. Attention to detail is crucial, as missing even a single word can change the meaning. 1. Read the instructions carefully. Sometimes, you will be asked to use only one word, while other times you might need to use 2 or 3 words. 2. Predict the answer type. If there's a date blank, you'll likely need to listen for a date. If it's a name, be prepared to spell it correctly. 3. Don't leave blanks. If you miss an answer, take a guess. There's no penalty for wrong answers, but leaving it blank guarantees no points. 4. Be cautious of distractors. The speaker might mention several pieces of information, but you need to identify the correct one that fits the context. Forms and notes. 1. Look for cues. Forms and notes often have titles, subheadings, or other indicators that give a clue about what kind of information you need. 2. Practice common abbreviations, especially for addresses, dates, or titles, e.g., road for road, Jan. For January, Mr. for Mr. Tables. 1. Read the table headings. These will tell you what type of information you should be listening for. 2. Stay organized. Each row or column often corresponds to a specific topic or time. Keep this in mind to avoid mixing up information. Flow charts. 1. Understand the process. Before the recording plays, quickly analyze the flow chart to understand the general process or sequence. 2. Link the visuals to audio. Flowcharts might have arrows, diagrams, or other visual cues. As you listen, mentally link what you hear to the visual representation. There you have it. With these strategies in hand, you're well equipped to tackle form, note, table, or flowchart completion tasks in the IELTS listening section. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep honing your skills and stay confident. We hope this video has been helpful, and best of luck on your IELTS journey.